Hey beauties, my name is Chanel and today I'll be showing you guys up on this baddie that I have on today. So you guys know how I've been doing it. These wigs have been definitely popping nowadays and I've been trying to see whether or not it's really a go or is it like just a trend or is it something that all the YouTubers have, if you know what I mean. So I picked up one and I'm super loving it, y'all. I am definitely a fan. I've been a fan for the past 2 weeks now. Girl, I've been picking her up in nearly every style that I can. This one is by Wiggins hair, so if you want to know more specs and deets about this one, go ahead and keep on watching.
That's good.
Alright, you guys, like I stated, this one is by Wiggins, and girl, did they not show up and show out, sis. Like, I am so here for this texture. Scrumptious, scrumdiddlyumptious. Okay, like, she giving so effortless vibes. Like, you just could tell when you love a wig. Like, confidence is there, like everything, you know. And one thing I love to do is when I try out a new product or a wig for you guys, I like to take it out on a stroll, see if it breaks some necks, see if it gets some compliments, but it also let me know whether or not potentially you guys will like it as well. I know a lot of my babes out there have so much different styles and tastes when it comes to your wigs, but so I don't justify that all the time solely on that. Girl, I went to the grocery store, and that's one of my spots that I go ahead and stroll around and try them out at. And girl, they were breaking necks. Okay, I mean, from ladies to men, like, it was breaking necks. It's definitely like just a charming wig, you know what I mean? It's one of the headband wigs that they got going on, if you haven't caught on. So essentially what that is just you get like a strap. It's kind of like a half wig. So I don't know if you guys are familiar with the old half wigs, but I've said it on here on my channel before, but it's definitely a half wig, but the band covers the weft. So back then the half wigs just nearly showed the track, and that was it, sis, and you just put your hair over it. You definitely could put your hair over with this one, but if you don't want to, like me, I have 4C hair, you guys, and I am not trying to put heat onto my hair. I'm definitely using wigs as a protective style. And if my girls out there with natural hairs, if you get what I'm saying, go ahead and smash the like button, because sis, I'm not putting heat onto my curls for nobody, okay? I love my natural hair curls. So with this one, it gives me the option to do that without the whole lace thing, you know what I mean? 2020 has been enough, okay? I don't want to lay my lace right now, thank you. I'm just saying, I'm just so here for the no lace, and it's just giving really like natural tease, flirty, still I'm cute, not doing too much vibes, you know what I mean? And girl, I'm so for not doing too much in 2020, because 2020 is doing too much, okay? Anyways, y'all, like, she's cute. She's really cute, y'all. Y'all know what I'm gonna say. I super duper love her. I swear, y'all, I need some more adjective. But yeah, y'all, like, I really do love her. I love how the curls fall. Okay, so naturally it looks nice naturally without it styled, but I got to say I love this one styled. It looks super good, and I use my conditioner, the Nexus conditioner. Y'all know what I do. I'll go ahead and link all the stuff that I use on this baddie when I styled it down below in the description bar, along with the link. The direct link to this one is on top of the description bar, just in case you want to go ahead and pick it up right now. You're like, Chanel, you don't have to say no more. The link is on top of the description bar. Cute, right? Cute. Conditioner, a little silk, water. That's it. What else? Nothing else, y'all. Big head friendly. Super easy, 1, 2, 3 application. Anybody could do it. A 3-year-old could put your wig on for you, okay? So girl, this is one for the books. Like, this is definitely a staple that you need in your collection, for those times where, you know, your stylist cancels out on you for any type of reason, or you can't find nobody to do your hair. This definitely gives I'm ready for the world, but definitely effortless and cute. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Do y'all think Wiggins' hair did amazing? I believe so, y'all. She is bomb. Pick yours up again, you guys. The link is on top of the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, you guys, and let me know what you like. You know what I'm saying? Would you get in this texture? Let me know what texture would you get it in. Make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so. And like always, you guys, till next time.